our journey. It's raining, so आज we started our journey to Bugga waterfalls. Bugga waterfalls, and it's around 70 kilometers approximately from Hyderabad, and around 1 hour 50 minutes journey. Weather is beautiful.
1 hour 50, 50, huh?
50,
Not 50.
50, 1 hour 50 as per Mr. FD. And the weather is good today. Traffic hai. We are still in city. We just started. Still in city, and thoda traffic hai because probably it's Eid and Eid Mubarak. Okay, so we have crossed the city traffic now and almost on the highway, you can say. Not exactly highway, but yes. So the weather, तो मतलब बारिश रुक नहीं रही है. Continuously rains and oof, it's so beautiful. You know the best part कि हैदराबाद में आप अगर बाहर हो या आप हैदराबाद में हो, आपको वेदर हमेशा एक हॉलीडे मूड में ही रखता है. So this is the best part which I usually used to miss when we were in Delhi. है ना Fazil, what do you think? So Hyderabad. So what is your favorite, Fazil? Hyderabad or Delhi?
Both.
एक बताओ.
जब जहाँ है वो सिटी आपकी है.
Okay. So
दिल्ली में हो तो आप दिल्ली वाले हो. हैदराबाद में तो हैदराबाद वाले हो.
okay, so basically you need to say act like Romans when you're in Rome. Okay. So now let's see. So this is basically where we are right now. Exact location I don't know, but yes, it's still 1 hour from here. So pretty relaxing till now with good music and good weather. क्या होता है 2 hours drive सिटी में. So 2 hours and you are in like so beautiful place. आओ यार जरूर आओ and do share with your friends. Share this vlog with your friends so that they can also explore. किसी को भी, come with family, come with friends, come on bike, come in car, whichever way, but do come. Okay, so we have stopped here. Have a tea break. Can you see how beautiful this place is? Look at the black clouds, the greenery, silence, weather. It's around just 10 minutes more, but still we thought we'll just have a decoction break here. So we'll be having decoction now. Just come and have decoction, which I prepared. Let's enjoy this. So Fazil, are you having fun? Are you Fazil? As always. And okay. So Fazil says खाओ पियो ऐश करो. So खाने पीने की I got खाने के लिए मेरे पास खाली crack jack biscuit है, which is my favorite. So we will have crack jack biscuit. And as Fazil said खाओ पियो ऐश करो. So we'll have crack jack biscuit and decoction. Okay, so okay, you all can come with this. This is छोटा चीज़ें, and then I'm sure you will have fun with it. Barish, the drizzle and decoction. I think it's the deadliest combination.
Enjoy.
guys, we reached the place. For some reason today the way to the waterfalls was closed. So we headed towards the main water stream just above the waterfall, which was equally amazing.
Richie, what's it for lunch?
So for lunch, I've got gajar aloo matar with kasuri methi flavor and chapati. And sadly we can have some aloo bhujia with my favorite happy face.
తిరగలేదు పక్క Subscribe.
Yes, I
Very good. Say bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay, so we finished our tour and the place is lovely. Definitely you all should visit this once. And yes, so as Fazil said, it's amazing. And you can come with your family, you can come with your friends, you can come as a couple. Anyway, you can come with any good company. And you see, we got our own food. So आप लोग भी अपना खाना लेकर, because दूर तक यहाँ पे there is no dhaba or there is no good restaurant. So get your own food, get your own tea, and then it's just like a good picnic spot. Yes, as Fazil said, it's really good. But when you're coming with kids, one advice, obviously they want to explore. So you just tell them, give them a proper briefing in advance. They should not run here and there, because in some places it's little slippery and it's little dangerous.
2-3 को तो मैंने डांट भी लगा दी यहाँ पे.
हाँ, so Fazil ने डांट.
Obviously, जब भाग रहे कर रहे अपने parents की नहीं सुन रहे थे. Then I had to
so
intervene and tell them be careful.
Yes, so make sure.
It's dangerous. It's quite dangerous.
Yes, because we don't know how far is the hospital or anything. Like, obviously we should be careful. So otherwise it's a beautiful place, fun. Okay, all right, thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you all.
इससे stop करो.